kumanta with clapping our hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, wait lang po before blowing the candles. Wish po muna ni Tatay Charlie at ni Mama Rose for our birthday celebrant. Si Tatay mo muna, wish. Okay. Wish po ni Tatay?
Happy birthday, good health. Okay, sana mamang ka.
Para si Tatay Charlie din po. Okay. Si Mama Rose naman po. Ay, sumisigaw mo sa likod. Bakit linggo? Okay. Si Mama Rose po.
Siyempre, good health.
Okay, good health. Okay. Bilang tayo list ng 1, 2, 3 para i-blow nyo na yung candle, ha? Okay? 1, 2, 3, blow!